Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Asda Rewards app and signing in. This connects your account to the scanner. Once done, make sure the app has camera permission so it can read barcodes quickly. Position your rewards barcode or virtual card on a clean screen. Avoid glare and smudges. You want the barcode centered and steady. This reduces retries and speeds processing. If the app asks, switch to scan mode immediately so you're ready for the next step. You tap the scan button and align the barcode inside the on-screen frame. The app uses contrast to detect edges, so centering matters. Hold your phone about 10 to 20 centimeters from the barcode and keep it steady. Small movements confuse the algorithm and cause failed reads. Once the app detects the code, it will autofocus and read automatically. Listen for the confirmation tone or look for a green check. If it doesn't read, adjust angle and lighting, then try again. After a successful scan, you'll see points added and a confirmation on screen. Save a screenshot or receipt for your records. If the scan fails repeatedly, try the manual entry option in the app. Enter the numeric code shown on your rewards card. Once you've refreshed the app and retried, make sure your app is updated and your phone camera is clean. If problems persist, contact Asda support and provide the store, time, and a screenshot so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.